Hi everyone, it's John here from Griebenouw Bee Farming. If you want to learn how to build a catch hive, then continue watching this video. Hi guys, so in this video I will actually show you how to build your own catch hive using shutter ply or 18mm shutter ply actually. You can use thinner shutter ply as well or combine it between 18 and 9mm shutter ply. You can also use spine as well, but for the purpose of this video I'm only using 18mm shutter ply. So keep watching, I'll show you the dimensions. I will show you also some of the tools that I use. To shorten slightly the video, I haven't shown the whole full process. Some of it I've actually cut out, but it will give you a basic understanding of what you need and how to build it. I just use a normal nail gun and shot it all together. So yeah, keep watching and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.